Yums, you are entertainments, and it's a done deal. Welcome to my motherfucking city, throw it up 305 if you with me. Haters, they die from the semi, they getting all shot up. They running the doctors, the few that survive, they running the coppers. I flex my muscle, have them swimming with mussels and lobsters. We untouchable, done deal, they can't stop us. The only way you top us, if we hang your ass. Send my nigga Young Scoop to come and bang your ass. Put your bitch on the strip, make her slang that ass. All I know, she bringing back my cash. If she don't bring it back, she get slapped. Fuck niggas get no dap, yeah, you know that. On me the folk clap. My nigga J-So show you how to go stack. My nigga J-Do show you how you boys trap. They keep the medicine so they can serve these fiends. No sleep, stay up so they can murk these streets. Think twice if you think about hurting me. If I strike first emergency, I see you surgery. If you never heard, now you heard of me. I rip tracks, murder beats. Fuck nigga, man, I murder beef. Courtesy of you irking me, the nerve of heat. Yeah, I'm cocky, yeah, the nerve of me. I take everything you want, cause this a burglary. Say the word and I'm a sicker man. We could throw hands and click a blam. Who you know flow sick of damn. I vote fifth and just pick a man. Done deal, in my click a stand. Fuck nigga. Yeah, nigga. That's what the fuck it be like. Done deal. Through our entertainment. Be your nigga Don Antoine. Dade County motherfucker represented 305 guy. Super producer Sleazy Owl. Deacon Owl. Louis Loops. It's nothing, man. Gonna flood the streets with a whole bunch of mixtapes, nigga. It's a done deal.